Hi, my name is Dan Jung with MBhealth Insurance here in St. Louis, Missouri. Today I want to talk about how health insurance consultants can help cut down costs. So I think a lot of people, when they hear cut down costs, they just first think about premium. And that would be very valid, okay? There's high premium costs, and how can I help lower that as an agent or a consultant? But I also can help figure out how to cut down costs, whether it be in the deductible, whether it be with your prescriptions, or maybe just your utilization in general. And that can be done through different strategies, kind of tweaking the plan or looking at an HSA policy for an individual. So that's where sitting down with somebody when life changes, when things happen, okay? Those can be a newborn baby, you get married, you get divorced, maybe you move from state to state, or you have your job and it ends all of a sudden. So let's take a quick couple of those scenarios and just talk about how I can help somebody. So one, let's first talk about the great experience of a new child, okay? I'll have a lot of individual clients who call me and let me know that they're pregnant. They're gonna have a child this year. A lot of times people don't think, well, what's that gonna do to my health insurance? Or what can it do in today's world, especially with the marketplace, the Affordable Care Act? Well, having another child, another dependent that I'm gonna claim on my taxes, it's gonna raise the subsidy, might lower my premium. Or at some point, okay, when I add the child from his date of birth, what if it accidentally forces him to Medicaid? We got to be talking about those things so that we can kind of work through that if the income needs to be adjusted based off of those changes that are happening in your life. Okay, and the other one maybe isn't the time that you're excited, you're worried or concerned, and that's when you lose a job or the company ends. And that's where people who've had a group plan for years find themselves now having to figure out, what am I going to do about my health insurance? And those are some of the really worrisome calls that I get from clients. What am I going to do? I can't afford Cobra. How am I going to cut that cost down? How am I going to afford my medications? Hey, I had an HSA plan. Am I going to lose my HSA benefits in my account? When they call me for those situations, first things first, we talk through that. One, I'm going to have a solution, okay? You're not going to be uninsured. Now, what that's going to look like, we have to figure out through checking your income. What's it going to be now? If you call me in the middle of the year and your income is going to be half of what it is this year, well, that's going to help me reduce your premium with the subsidy. So those are things I can do anytime throughout the year, okay? Income adjustments. It's going to make sure that, okay, here's another option. I don't have to pay $2,000 for Cobra. Maybe I get some assistance and maybe I'm paying $1,000, okay? So think about those things as you do it, okay? I'm here as a consultant, as there are plenty others that can help you figure out how to get the most out of your health insurance or how to adjust it, okay? So if those things are happening, those changes are occurring, give us a call here at MBhealth at 314-544-5400 or look us up online at mbhealth.com. Take care.